Good morning, Mumbai and hello world. We are at India ESSEN Welding and Cutting 9th International Trade Fair at Bombay Exhibition Center in hall number 2. And with me, Mr. R.K. Gupta sir is here. He is head of sales and marketing of SUPERON SCHWEISSTECHNIK India Private Limited. So, R.K. Gupta sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed here?
Yeah, very good morning to all. On behalf of SUPERON SCHWEISSTECHNIK India Limited, basically we are manufacturing of, we can say, world class stainless steel welding electrodes. We have a complete range from, we can say, mild steel, low hydrogen, low alloy steel, and all special electrodes. And our specialization there in stainless steel welding consumables. So you can see here we have displayed our
So, we are on round, sir.
yeah.
Can you brief our follower and
Yes,
subscriber?
yes. Starting from here, you can see this is a range of our stainless steel MIG wires, TIG wires, the stainless steel electrodes, 6013, 7018, and yeah, please. Our some welding accessories, and you see there is a layout of our three different plants. There are
Facilities, your facilities.
yeah, they are in Manesar, Gurgaon, Haryana. Okay, and this is the, you see, the complete catalog where you can see the whole complete range of the product is listed here. So we are the sole, you can say, manufacturer and supplier of SUPERON SCHWEISSTECHNIK products in India.
So, Vivek, R.K. Gupta sir, can you brief our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number so people can visit our stall and see live demonstration over here?
Sir, we are means located in hall number 2, booth number C17 in this welding and cutting, you can say, hall. So you can see means in this hall mainly the welding companies are there, and one other stall is there for the export division, that is hall number 1 D104.
So, thank you, R.K. Gupta sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time.
Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks. I wish you all the best for all the, I can say, participant and exhibitor participating in this welding and cutting exhibition. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.